The iron ore price jumped more than 6% today because Chinese steel mills have been given the go-ahead to start increasing production again. The government has been telling them to cut back, partly to clear the air in Beijing for the Winter Olympics. But they're apparently off the leash now. That led to some big gains by iron ore miners on the ASX today, including Fortescue up nearly 10%, BHP 4%. Woodside went up 3.5% after making the final decision to go ahead with the $16.5 billion Scarborough gas project. Wall Street fell a bit last night after President Biden appointed Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell for a second term. The markets seem to think he's likely to hike rates earlier than the alternatives, so they sold off. Asian markets weren't too interested in that today. And the Australian dollar continued to slip towards 72 US cents. When it gets there, perhaps tonight or tomorrow, it'll be the first time in 2 months. Now, Westpac came out with a forecast for house prices today, adding to those of ANZ and Commonwealth Bank. Westpac says up 8% next year, down 5% in 2023, which is half the fall forecast by CBA and a bit more than ANZ's. Here's what CBA's forecast looks like on a chart. And I must say, the surprise is not that prices will fall eventually after the 22% eye-popper of the past 12 months. It's that they all think we're in for another rise next year. And while Westpac says house prices will fall in 2023, it reckons household debt will keep rising to new record highs. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.